In total, Ukraine is expecting 15 Gepard self-propelled anti-aircraft systems. The Panzer Gepard is an all-weather capable German self-propelled anti-aircraft gun. It was developed in the 1960s, fielded in the 1970s, and has been upgraded several times with the latest electronics. The first 3 units of the 35mm Gepard self-propelled anti-aircraft systems have arrived in his country along with several tens of thousands of rounds of ammunition. The Gepard is armed with two 35mm Oerlikon KDA automatic cannons with an effective range of up to 4 km and a rate of 550 rounds per minute per gun. The armament, ammunition, and detection and aiming sensors are located in a quick-turn turret. It is installed on the chassis of a Leopard 1 medium tank. In order to effectively accompany the armored units, it was to protect from Soviet helicopters and ground attack aircraft. If the version of the Gepard given to Ukraine is the 1A2, the most modern one operated by the German army, it should be able to use the ahead programmable ammunition, which would make it an excellent means to combat low-flying drones.